We're going to need a couple random cards for this, so let's use Siri. Hey Siri, pick a card.
Okay, it's the 10 of diamonds.
10 of diamonds, remember that. Hey Siri, pick a card.
Choosing. It's the 3 of diamonds.
3 of diamonds. 10 of diamonds, 3 of diamonds. Remember those two cards. Whenever I film these types of things, there's always that comment from people that say something like, I'm just doing this like 10 million times until I get this stuff right. I can assure you that that's not the case, but I'm going to prove it right now with a simple card trick. I'm going to give these cards a couple shuffles, a couple mixes, and you can shuffle any way you want, but in order for this video to make any sense, I think it would be best if I shuffled the way they do in a casino with the cards flat on the table like this. But as a matter of fact, let's take it a step further because I want you to know the cards really are mixed. I'm going to take about half the cards face up and about half the cards face down and shuffle the faces into the backs like this. There's a technical term for this. It's called a mess. As a matter of fact, I'll shuffle the cards again. And we're looking for the 3 of diamonds and the 10 of diamonds. Now, whenever I do these things, there's some people that think I filmed it 10 million times until I got it right. I can assure you that that's not the case here. And you have to ask yourself, what are the odds of something like this happening? So riffle the deck once like this, and for all the cards to turn the same way, except for 2 cards. 2 randomly named cards, the 10 of diamonds and the 3 of diamonds. What are the odds of that happening?